Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to give a gift in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. That's going to trust you to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its consumers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to give a gift in Best Buy. Okay, so from this homepage, let's go ahead and locate a product that we would like to give as a gift. So scroll all the way down to find. So if you want to get gift ideas, click here so that you can find gift ideas. So once you click on that more, you can see gift ideas. So sometimes you don't get to see more, you just get gift ideas. So this thing kind of, I think it fluctuates somehow. So but click on that, and in your area it could be gift ideas. All right, so just click on gift ideas. So more gift ideas, and sometimes it may not be more, it may just be just gift ideas for you to get popular gift ideas. So you have the popular gifts list. So let's say we want to give this health and fitness gifts. So you can click on that. So here we go. So we have this. Let's say I want the smartwatch. I want to gift this smartwatch $369. So it's opening up. So see, this is an open box. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna click on this product. So you have details about this product here. It's available. So go the way back because I need to add these to cart. Just loading right up so that I'm gonna find the add to cart button. So I'm back here and I have been able to spot the add to cart button for the smartwatch. So I'm gonna click here, add to cart. That's gonna take me to the carts window where I can start my checkout process. Okay. Let's add in now. So here we go. So from this window, I'm going to click on, so it says protect. So it has been, so I'm going to click on this go to cart button here. So click on go to cart. And it's going to take you to the cart. Now the cart is your shopping basket. So from the cart, you can proceed to checking out. So here I have my cart, and this is the product that I am working on. Okay, so I'm going to click on this checkout button for me to proceed to check out. Now, this is the place you're going to have to make that decision of making this product a gift. So here you have your store pickup details, everything about this, and here you have your order summary. So head over to order summary. I want to click on this order summary. You can now find the product that you want to add as a gift. So let's say this is the Samsung Galaxy, or this is the Samsung Galaxy smartwatch that we want to add as a gift. So click on this, add a gift receipt. Now, once you click on this, add a gift receipt, you will now be able to give this as a gift. So include a gift receipt here. So click on this checkbox and it says you receive a gift receipt for this item when you pick it up at the store. So the person that you're sending this to is going to get the gift receipt item or the gift receipt for this item once it is picked up at the store. So click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, that's going to be it. The gift receipt is going to be included. So once the person is picking up this item, the person is going to see the gift receipt to show that it is a gift. So that's it. And you can even head over to pickup person, all right, and click on add a new pickup person. Just click on add a new pickup person. Follow through with the details to add the name of the person that you're giving this to. So that's the first name, last name, phone number, email of the person that you're gifting it to. So once you do that, that's going to be it. So add your gift receipt and that's it. That's pretty much how you can give a gift to someone in Best Buy. Now, I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.